I was given this Samsung TV to do what I wanted with. Its model number is a LE19R86QDX. Doesn't power on at all. What else can I say? That's about it really. Anyway, just a quick visual inspection on the power supply, and we got bulging caps. So let me zoom in and then you can have a look at that. There they are. You see the one on the right has actually expelled some stuff, but yeah, these are very much bulging. So what I'll do is I'll replace those, and we'll see if the thing fires up into life. Not really much use for this TV, but I think just for the just for giggles, I think we'll have a play. Okay, I've put the new capacitors in. They're not the same values as the ones that I took out. The ones that I took out were so for these three along here, they're in parallel, and they were 820. So I've put in 220 microfarad because that's all I got. Like I said, I'm not too worried about this TV. It's not going to go for sale or anything. For the output, I'll put 470. So and there was another capacitor here. That was 820 as well, and lo and behold, I plugged it in. So I think if we do use this TV, I will get the correct values. I'll make a note and put it inside the TV. But let me see if you can see that. There we go. Right, so fire straight up into life. And as you can see, we have no signal. Didn't do that before. So there you go, that's a simple TV fix. Always keep an eye on the capacitors, that's the first thing you look at. So let me see if I can show you. Let me turn me around. So, hang on, see if we can get it focus. So I don't know if you can see that that cap there is ever so slightly bulging, and then there's another, again just ever so slightly bulging, not much. You just need an eye for detail, that's all. And I think this was the worst culprit. You can definitely see that one's bulging, but and that one did expel a bit, but I'd run my finger over the top, so kind of wiped it off. But yeah, there you go. So always an easy fix for TVs if it's the capacitors, as this is. So awesome. There we go. All fixed, put back together. That's the back on. Got a few inputs there. So digital,